In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a board to another workspace in Trello. Whether you're organizing your tasks, managing a team project, or simply transferring information to a new virtual setting, it's quite handy to know how to move your Trello boards efficiently from one workspace to another. So let's dive right into the process. To begin, you'll first need to log into your Trello account. Head over to the Trello homepage and look for the login button, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this will take you to the login page, where you'll have a few options to sign in. For this demonstration, we'll use a Google account to access Trello. Simply click on the Google option and select your Google account from the list provided. This method is quick, especially if your Google account is already associated with your Trello account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Trello board you want to transfer. If you know the name of your board, you might find it useful to use the search bar at the top of the Trello interface to locate it quickly. Now, upon finding your board, click on it to enter the board's main page. Here, you'll have all your cards and lists, but what we need to focus on is the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see three dots. This is generally known as the More button or Options menu. When you click on these three dots, a drop-down menu with various board settings will appear. Next, you should look for the Settings option in this menu. Selecting Settings will open a new set of options, out of which you need to choose the Workspace section. This is the key part where you'll transfer your board to another workspace. After clicking Workspace, you'll see a list of available workspaces where you can move your board. Browse through this list and select the workspace you want your board to move to. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're choosing the right one to avoid any confusion later on. Finally, with your desired workspace selected, look for the Change button, which confirms your action to move the board. Click on Change, and with that your board will be moved to the newly selected workspace. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully moved a Trello board from your existing workspace to a new one. This can be particularly useful when collaborating with different teams, or when restructuring how your projects are organized. Make sure to double check that everything is in order in your new workspace once the move is complete. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.